Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly insight on setting a project template in Revit. Capricorn Technology Private Limited is now a part of Arkins Group, serving widely in adoption of computer-aided design solutions and its integrated workflows. Myself, Anurag Pomnani, the solution specialist for architecture at Capricorn Technologies. In this insight, we will be covering firstly, what is pre-configured templates that are available in interface? Secondly, knowing the default template location from where to load it. Third, setting new template at the desired location. Let us move on to the live demo now. So yeah, here I am at my software interface, and you can see with before starting a project, we have to set all these and we have to choose a particular template so that we don't need to work again and again on it. So how to do that? Just for example, I'm creating a new project. So going on to new tab, and then under this, we have this template file where in this we have this number of template files that are available to us. Depending upon our discipline to use, we have to use them, right? So this becomes a quite crucial while doing it, and so that we can save a lot of time and efforts while working on a project. So where the question is where these files are actually located. So I will show you while installing and downloading the software on your system. This file by default gets stored in the C drive in form of program data. And under program data, this is from Autodisk. So I would be going on to Revit 24. And over here, you can see there are a number of folders with like family templates are there, libraries with n number of families are there. And we generally work upon the English families that are US or UK based. So depending upon your work standards, again, these are the templates. So over here, you can see there are n number of default templates as well. I will be working on basically an Indian. So moving on to English templates. So here you can see there is construction default, metric template and default metric template, electrical default metric templates. So these helps us to set certain units which we generally work upon, like in mm or in metric sections, mm meters and so on, where we generally work on the sites as well. So these are the portions to it. Just for an example, I want this default metric template. I will double click on it. And here you can see my default metric template is available. And what does it indicates basically? So if I'm going and making a wall like WA, now you can see entire wall dimensions are in mm itself. And you don't need to set or define those things again and again by working on certain different units. So this in this way, for example, just for windows as well. So you can see all the windows are set it in mm itself and their properties are defined on the metric system based properties. So this is how it helps us. Now, while moving back again to file and if I need to choose a new project again, so whatever I have selected doesn't appears over this space. So how to do that as well? So what I would be doing is again and again, I don't need to push back myself on selecting that particular system and work and start working upon it. So let's see how to set that as well. I will close this. I will move on to file options. Over here, there is an options table where under it, we have these n number of options where we have to move on to file locations. And under this, you can see the default path of an user is this Anurag Pomnani documents. And under the family template files, we have this automatically a default location, which is in English, family templates, English. So I need to, so that's why they're appearing there itself. And if I need to add or remove, what I can do is I can just put an add option. And over here in the English template itself, going to the same path, program data, Autodesk, Revit 24, then under it, the family templates, and under the templates, I would be choosing the default metric one. I will say open. So now you can see it has been added as a defined uh, template to my own template space. So clicking on OK to it. Now, whenever I need to choose it, I will go back onto File, create a new option, and under this, you can see a default metric has been arranged. And I can just click on it, click on OK, and it has set it the entire unit to an part. And now we can just randomly go on walls and we can work upon the units at the same time. So this helps us in setting up on project and helps us to save a lot of time while enhancing the other features and its productivity. Hope you guys had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with other insights on upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. Do reach out to us for any suggestion or query. See you in the next week. Thanks and take care.